Hello everyone, this is Martha Lawrence and today we have learned chapter number 6, the desert and the plateau region. Okay, so let's start. Look at this, we can see here a hill and a plateau. Look at this is a rounded top and this is a flat top. Okay, look at this, the peninsular plateau, and first is Malwa plateau and Bundelkhand plateau and Chota Nagpur plateau and Shillong plateau, and next is Deccan plateau. Okay, so we can see here things to remember. The peninsular plateau is located towards the south of the northern plains. It covers almost half the area of India and it has a rocky, uneven surface. Okay, and main rivers flowing through the peninsular plateau are Chambal, Bichwa, San, and Damodar, Namrada, Tapi, Godavari, and Mahanadi, Krishna, and Kaveri. Okay, beta. Sorry, excuse me, baby. And the five plateaus are, first is Malwa plateau and Bundelkhand plateau and Chota Nagpur plateau, Shillong plateau, and the Deccan plateaus. Okay, and next is the hill ranges in the peninsular plateau are Aravali hills, and next is Rajmahal hills and Vindhya hills and Satpura hills, the western Ghats and the eastern Ghats, and Nilgiri hills and the Cardamom hills. Okay, beta. And next is things to remember: plateau to the south of river Namrada, Deccan plateau. Okay, and next hill ranges to the east, eastern Ghast. Okay, beta. And next is hill ranges to the west, western Ghats. Okay, and the plateau in the northeastern India, Shillong plateaus. Okay, beta, this is a Shillong plateau. And next is out of the three plateaus that lie to the northern of river Narmada, first is the westernmost. So this is a Malwa plateau, and the easternmost Chota Nagpur plateau, and in the middle of these two Bundelkhand plateaus. Okay, so next we can see here the two parts of peninsular plateau. First is central highlands in the north and next is Deccan plateau in the south. So we can see here a map. Okay, so next look at this, the two parts of the peninsular plateau. First is the central highlands in the north and second is the Deccan plateau in the south, and the Shillong plateau. The central highlands in the north divided in three parts. First is the Malwa plateau in the west and the second is the Bundelkhand plateau between Malwa and Chota Nagpur plateau, and third is the Chota Nagpur plateau in the east. Okay, so we can see here things to remember. Okay, beta, the Malwa plateau lies between the Aravali hill ranges. So, things to remember: the Malwa Plateau lie between the Aravali Hills range and the Vindhya Hills range. And next is the Chambal, Bichwa, and Sun Rivers rise in the Malwa Plateau. And next is the Damodar River flow through Chota Nagpur Plateau. Okay, beta. And next is, so we can see here the forests of Malwa Plateau. Okay, first point is there are deciduous forests in the Malwa Plateau, and next, deciduous trees means which shade their leaves once a year. Okay, better. And Dhavada, Plash, and Salai are some trees found here. Some thorny trees are Kher and Khejri. Next is the thorny forests grow in area with less rainfall. Okay, Bittu. And next is, look at this, we can see here animal in the Malwa Plateau: Nilgai, Chinkara, leopard, wolf, jackal, fox, deer, crocodile, and python are some animals that live in the Malwa Plateau. Okay, baby. And next is we can see here life in the Malwa Plateau. Okay, beta. So first is the winter is cool and pleasant. Okay, and the summer is hot and dry. Malwa Plateau gets a good annual rainfall, and the soil is black in color and fertile. People grow cotton and sugarcane on it. Okay, beta, and they also grown groundnut and wheat and millets, and most of the people in this region are farmers. Okay, beta, and the farmers depend on rains for watering their crops. Okay, and the rivers here get water from rain, and less water flow in them in dry summers and winters. Okay, beta. So next is life in the Malwa Plateau, and some people make the famous chanderi cotton and silk handloom saris, and some people work in the diamond mine of Panna, and this is in the Bundelkhand Plateau. And next is bhutki kees, is a sweet dish and made of milk and corn, and people enjoy this dish. Yummy, really. Look at this, the Chota Nagpur plateau's map. So we can see here, look, है ना, Malwa Plateau and Chota Nagpur. Look at this, this is a Chota Nagpur, and it lies in the eastern part of the Central Highlands. The states of Chhattisgarh, Odisha, most of Jharkhand, and parts of West Bengal lie in the Chota Nagpur Plateau. And this is plateau is hot in summer. Okay, and some parts can be very cold in winter, and some parts stay cool. Okay, beta, and these regions gets good rainfall. The forests are of deciduous type. Many wild animals such as leopard, nilgai, bear, and tiger are found here. Okay, and look at this. We can see here. Okay, we can see here life of the Munda tribes. Okay, the Munda tribes live in forests of Chhattisgarh. The Munda tribes has its own language, festivals, and customs, and they grow rice and keep animals. Okay, and they catch fishes and often go to the forest to collect leaves, fruits, flowers, and firewood, gum, and resins and medicines. Okay, beta. uh, I repeat once again, baby. Okay. Mm. They catch fishes and often go to the forest to collect leaves, fruits, flowers, firewood, gum, resins, and medicinal plants. Okay, medicine plants. And women make uh, leaf plates and flower garlands to sell. And some Munda tribes work in coal mines and steel plants. Okay, and coal, iron ore, mica, copper and bauxites are some minerals found in the Chota Nagpur Plateau. So look at this. This is a Munda tribals women's. Okay, beta. And next is things to remember. This plateau is rich in mineral. Chota Nagpur Plateau. Okay, and cotton and sugarcane are the main crops of this plateau, Malwa Plateau. Okay, and this plateau has forest with deciduous and thorny trees, Malwa Plateau. Okay, and the sorry, and the Munda tribals live in this plateau, Chota Nagpur Plateau. Okay, and some parts of this plateau are quite cold in winters, Chota Nagpur Plateau. Okay, look at this. We can see here the Deccan Plateau. Look, very good. So we can see here the Deccan Plateau. Look, this area, Deccan Plateau. Okay. So facts about the Deccan Plateau. Okay, the Deccan Plateau is a triangular plateau. It is surrounded by the Satpura Hills ranges in the north, Western Ghat in the west, and the Eastern Ghats in the east. Shillong Plateau in the northeastern part of India is also a part of the Deccan Plateau. Okay, baby. And the states of Telangana and most of the Maharashtra and Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka and Tamil Nadu lie in the Deccan Plateau. Okay. So next is facts about the Deccan Plateau, and the Deccan Plateau is higher in the west and slopes gently toward the east, and that is the reason why most of the rivers of this plateau flow from west to east, and they flow into the Bay of Bengal. Okay, example for of such rivers are Mahanadi and Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri, and they all flow easternward and fall in the Bay of Bengal. Okay, so Bay of Bengal, and next is only Narmada River and Tapi River flows from east to west and falls into the Arabian Sea. Okay, so next is, did you know? Okay, first, the rivers of the peninsular plateau get their water from rain, so they are called our rain-fed rivers. Okay, and this also makes them seasonal. They have more water in the rainy season, but the rivers of the northern plains get their water from melting snow, and this means that these rivers have water all throughout the year. Okay, so climate, so we can see here climate of the Deccan Plateau. The summers are hot, and the rocky land reflects the heat, and this makes the surrounding area warm. Okay, beta, and winters are cool and pleasant, and next is the rainfall is not much, so the farmers face water shortage. Okay, beta, and but the eastern and western ghats on both the side of the Deccan plateaus is cool with good rainfall, and that is because of their high and the wait that is because of their height and nearness of the sea. Okay. Excuse me. Okay, the main crops of the Deccan Plateau. Okay, so we can see here main crops of the Deccan Plateau. The Deccan Plateau is rich in black and red soil. The main crops are cotton in Maharashtra, sugarcane in Karnataka, and peanuts in Andhra Pradesh, and millets in Tamil Nadu. Millets do not need a lot of water to grow. Okay, beta. Oranges are grown in Nagpur region. Nagpur is known as Orange City. Do you know? Nagpur is known as Orange City. Okay. And cardamom and tea are grown in the Nilgiri Hills in Tamil Nadu. Okay, beta. So next is forest and wildlife in the Deccan Plateau. There are different types of forest in the Deccan Plateau. These get different amount of rainfall. Deciduous trees such as amlars grow in small areas. Thorny forests are found all over the plateau. Some birds of this region, uh, Florican, Indian bustard, both are the rare birds, and there are several national parks and sanctuaries where hunting and cutting trees is banned. Okay, next look at this almats. Amlats are the golden shower tree. So beautiful, really. Look at this. Next, look at this. This is Florican. This is Florican and Great Indian Bustard. So next is we can see here the people of the Deccan Plateau. There are people who speak different languages such as Hindi, Marathi, Konkani, and Chhattisgarhi, and Kannada, and Tamil, and Malayalam, Telugu, etc. Several tribes such as Gond and Bhil live in the hills. Farming is difficult, okay beta, farming is difficult in this region, so they depend on forest products such as wood, fruits, and medicines. And this region is rich in minerals such as iron ore, coal, copper ore, and mica. Many people work in mines. Okay beta, many people work in mines. And some modern cities, Hyderabad, Bangalore, and Calicut, are located in the Deccan Plateau. Okay beta, look at this. Some ore. uh, Ore means, do you know what is ores? Ore means a rock from which metal can be taken out at a reasonable cost. Okay, this is iron ore, copper ore, and mica. Okay, so things to remember: two animals found in the Deccan Plateau. Two animals, first is the goat and the elephant. Okay beta, and two crops grown in the Deccan Plateaus. First is cotton and second is groundnut. And two states of India located in the Deccan Plateau. First is Tamil Nadu and second is Andhra Pradesh. Next is two tribes who live in the Deccan Plateau. First is Gonds and second is Bhils. Okay, beta. And two minerals of the Deccan Plateaus: iron ore and copper ore. Okay, beta. So look at this. Next is Gond tribal. So we can see here Gond tribals women's. Okay, and next is, look at this, Bhil tribes. So we can see here Bhil tribals, and look at this, the goat. This is a goat. So, oh, end of the chapter. So listen, everyone, we have to watch this video very carefully. So bye bye and take care and have a good day.